Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of home decoration wooden furniture craft project ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Home decoration through wooden furniture craft projects is a rewarding and fulfilling endeavor that allows individuals to express their creativity while enhancing their living spaces. The beauty of wood lies not only in its natural aesthetics, but also in its versatility, making it an ideal medium for various home decor projects. One of the most engaging ideas is to create a custom coffee table that serves as a focal point in your living room. Imagine selecting a beautiful slab of hardwood, perhaps oak or walnut, and transforming it into a stunning table that reflects your personal style. The process begins with careful planning and design considerations, ensuring that the dimensions fit perfectly within your space. You might choose to incorporate unique features such as live edges, which highlight the natural contours of the wood, or even add a lower shelf for storage, making it both functional and stylish. As you work on this project, you'll experience the satisfaction of shaping the wood, sanding it to a smooth finish, and applying a protective stain or varnish that enhances its grain. This coffee table could become a centerpiece for gatherings with friends and family, where stories are shared over cups of coffee or glasses of wine, creating lasting memories. Another exciting project idea is to build a rustic bookshelf that not only provides ample storage for your favorite books, but also acts as a statement piece in your home. Using reclaimed wood adds character and history to your project, as each piece tells its own story. You can design the bookshelf to fit snugly into a corner or make it a striking wall-mounted unit that draws the eye upward, emphasizing the height of your room. The construction process involves measuring and cutting the wood to size, assembling the shelves with sturdy brackets, and finishing it with a coat of oil or wax to protect against wear. As you fill your new bookshelf with books, plants, and decorative items, you'll find that it not only organizes your space, but also showcases your personality and interests. This project allows for creativity in terms of layout and design. For instance, you might choose to incorporate open shelving alongside closed cabinets for a balanced look. If you're looking for smaller projects, consider crafting wooden coasters or serving trays. These items are practical yet provide an opportunity to experiment with various shapes and finishes. You can create coasters from slices of wood, adding a personalized touch by engraving initials or meaningful quotes on them. Such coasters not only protect your surfaces, but also serve as conversation starters when guests visit. Similarly, crafting a wooden serving tray can elevate your hosting game. Imagine presenting drinks or snacks on a beautifully crafted tray that you made yourself. You can design it with handles for easy carrying and experiment with different stains or paints to match your decor. These smaller projects are perfect for beginners and can be completed in a weekend, providing instant gratification while enhancing your home's aesthetic. For those who enjoy spending time outdoors, building a wooden planter box can be an ideal project that beautifies your garden or patio area. This simple yet effective design allows you to showcase your favorite flowers or herbs while adding charm to your outdoor space. You can customize the size and shape of the planter box based on the plants you wish to grow, whether it's a long rectangular box for herbs along your patio or a tiered planter for vibrant flowers. The construction process involves cutting the wood to size, assembling it securely, and treating it with weather-resistant finishes to ensure longevity against the elements. As you nurture your plants in this handcrafted box, you'll find joy in watching them thrive while enjoying the fruits of your labor. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. For those seeking a more complex challenge, creating a dining table can be the ultimate woodworking project. This undertaking requires careful planning and execution, as the dining table often serves as the heart of the home, a place where family gathers for meals and celebrations. You might start by selecting a beautiful slab of hardwood, considering factors such as grain patterns and color that complement your dining room's decor. The construction process involves not only assembling the tabletop, but also ensuring stability through proper joinery techniques. You may choose to incorporate unique features such as a trestle base or tapered legs that add character to the design. Once completed, this dining table becomes more than just furniture. It transforms into a gathering place filled with laughter and love, creating cherished memories over shared meals. Additionally, consider incorporating elements like epoxy resin into your projects for added visual appeal. For instance, if you're working on a coffee table or dining table, filling knots or cracks in the wood with colored resin can create stunning effects that enhance the natural beauty of the wood while adding a modern twist to traditional designs. This technique allows for endless creativity. You can experiment with different colors and patterns to achieve a truly one-of-a-kind piece that reflects your personal style. Another fascinating project idea is to create wooden wall art or decorative panels that serve as striking focal points in any room. By cutting various shapes from wood and arranging them into an eye-catching design, you can create a stunning piece of art that adds warmth and character to your home. This project allows for endless creativity. Think geometric patterns, nature-inspired designs, or even abstract art that reflects your personality. You can play with different stains and finishes to achieve the desired look, making it a truly personalized piece of decor that sparks conversation among guests. If you're looking to enhance your entryway, consider building a wooden key holder or mail organizer. These small yet functional items can help declutter your space while adding an artistic touch. You can design them with hooks for keys and compartments for mail, ensuring they're both practical and visually appealing. Personalizing these items with paint or wood-burning techniques can make them uniquely yours while enhancing their decorative value. As you embark on these woodworking projects, remember that each piece you create is an opportunity to learn new skills and techniques. Whether you're cutting, sanding, assembling, or finishing, there's always something new to discover in the world of woodworking. Moreover, these projects often serve as great bonding experiences if you choose to involve family or friends in the process. Together, you can share ideas, techniques, and laughter as you work side by side. In addition to the satisfaction of creating beautiful pieces for your home, woodworking projects also promote sustainability by encouraging the use of reclaimed materials and reducing waste. By choosing to craft your furniture rather than purchasing mass-produced items, you contribute positively to the environment while also ensuring that your home reflects your individual taste and values. As you explore these wooden furniture craft project ideas, let your imagination run wild and don't be afraid to experiment with different designs and techniques. The journey of creating handmade furniture is just as fulfilling as the final product. Each cut and joint tells a story of creativity and effort invested into making your house feel like a home. Ultimately, these projects not only enhance your living space, but also provide lasting memories of the time spent crafting something special with your own hands, a true testament to the beauty of home decoration through woodworking. Through these craft projects, you have the opportunity to not only beautify your home, but also cultivate skills that may lead to future endeavors in woodworking or furniture making. As you hone your abilities, you may find yourself inspired to take on larger projects or even consider starting a small business selling handmade wooden items. The possibilities are endless when it comes to crafting with wood. Each project opens up new avenues for creativity and self-expression. Furthermore, sharing your creations with others, whether through gifting them or showcasing them in your home, can foster connections and inspire others to embark on their own crafting journeys. The act of creating something by hand carries an intrinsic value that resonates with people. It speaks to our desire for authenticity in an increasingly digital world. In home decoration through wooden furniture craft projects is not just about enhancing aesthetics, it's about embracing creativity, sustainability, and personal expression. Each project offers an opportunity for growth and learning while allowing you to create meaningful pieces that enrich your living environment. Whether you choose to build large furniture items like tables and bookshelves or smaller decorative pieces like coasters and planters, the joy of crafting with wood lies in the process itself as much as in the final product. So gather your tools, unleash your creativity, and embark on this fulfilling journey of transforming raw materials into beautiful additions for your home. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our handpicked for home decoration wooden furniture craft project ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.